The future takes shape. How 3D printing is revolutionizing houses, construction, and architecture. Imagine a world where houses rise from the ground in a matter of days, not months. Where sustainable materials are printed on-site, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Where architects can translate their wildest designs into reality with unprecedented ease. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of 3D printed houses. From futuristic concept to tangible reality. 3D printed houses are no longer a figment of our imagination. Companies around the world are constructing real homes using this innovative technology. The process is similar to 3D printing on a smaller scale. A giant printer extrudes a special concrete mix or other material layer by layer, building the house based on a digital blueprint. Transforming construction, speed, efficiency, and sustainability. 3D printed houses offer a multitude of advantages that promise to reshape the construction industry. Speed of construction. 3D printing can significantly reduce construction times compared to traditional methods. Walls and even entire structures can be printed in a fraction of the time, leading to faster project completion and quicker occupancy. Enhanced efficiency. 3D printing eliminates the need for many traditional construction materials and reduces reliance on skilled labor for specific tasks. This translates to potentially lower construction costs and a more streamlined building process. Sustainable solutions. 3D printing allows for the use of eco-friendly materials like recycled concrete or bio-based composites. Additionally, the precise nature of the printing process minimizes construction waste. A new frontier for architects, design freedom and innovation. 3D printing opens doors for architects to push the boundaries of design. Complex shapes and intricate details that were previously difficult or expensive to achieve can now be readily incorporated into structures. This newfound freedom allows for highly personalized homes. With 3D printing, architects can create unique and customized homes that cater to the specific needs and preferences of homeowners. Disaster relief and rapid housing. The speed and efficiency of 3D printing make it ideal for building temporary shelters or permanent housing solutions in disaster-stricken areas. Unprecedented architectural exploration. Organic shapes, self-supporting structures, and integrated features. 3D printing empowers architects to explore new design possibilities and redefine the way we live. The future is printed. While there are still challenges to overcome, such as wider material availability and regulation standardization, the future of 3D printed houses is undeniably bright. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the construction industry, making housing more affordable, sustainable, and accessible for all. As architects embrace this transformative technology, we can expect to see a new era of innovative and awe-inspiring living spaces emerge. Stay ahead of the curve with Architects World blog. Want to delve deeper into the world of 3D printed houses? Subscribe to our newsletter for regular updates on the latest advancements, inspiring projects, and the ongoing impact on construction and architecture. Follow us on social media at Architects World blog for a behind-the-scenes look and to share your thoughts on this exciting future.